Hello, my fearless family. How is everyone doing today? Today is July 5th. I'm going to try to have this video uploaded by tomorrow, July 6th. It is currently about 5:30 in the afternoon. I've been working all day, working my business, just onboarding clients and employees. So I'm super excited. I have about 20 employees that inquired about my positions, and I apologize for the echo. This office is pretty big, and this office is actually, I'm in my office, but I have a full office, and we're just filling it up with furniture. So it's two desks, two chairs, have filing cabinets, and you can still hear echo. So I apologize for that. Moving forward, I will be doing my videos or content here in my office. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Latasha. Talk business, credit, personal credit, business funding, and like side hustle. So all things money. And I do, like I said, sprinkle a little bit of my personality in there. So I will share a little bit about myself. You probably clicked on this video because this is a Navy Fed video, and that is a really popular credit union that people want to know how to qualify. They're like the home of the big limit when it comes to high limit credit cards. And they also give out large amount of personal loans. They're quick to give out auto loans. Most of the time is no documents. So if you are new to Navy Fed and you haven't applied for any credit, you're in the right place, because you only want to have to do this once, right? So I'm going to also leave at the end of this video some links to old videos, old content concerning Navy Fed. I will try to build a separate list just strictly for all the content about Navy Fed on my video list. So this video is about Navy Federal Business Credit Card. I apologize, you guys. It's been a few months since I did a credit card video, and I just been really busy. Learning stuff. So I went with the MasterCard. No particular reason, because I really don't have very many MasterCards, and I have their signature Visa in the Go Cash reward. So I'm getting the benefits of a signature Visa on the personal end. So I wanted to get the world, I think it's like world reward or something like that with the MasterCard. Don't quote me on it. Go to the website. It'll tell you what the name of it is. I believe all credit cards over $5,000 is like signature or world, something like that, when it comes to the MasterCard. So this is a Go Business card. You guys, I applied for it about a month ago. I did not completely open the envelope. Like, I didn't pull it apart because I wanted to share with you guys the actual card. It is $15,000. Now, here are some of the reasons why I probably did not get the full 25, because their business cards max out at $25,000. They do pull from Experian. Don't argue with me in the comments. It's not based off demographics. When it comes to their personal, they pull from TransUnion, no matter where you are. When it comes to their business, they pull from Experian, okay? And I know that because I froze all of my other credit files. When I applied for credit for the personal, I froze everything but TransUnion. They never reached out and told me to unfreeze any other bureau. And then when I recently applied for this business card, I froze everything. Well, I keep my credit froze, okay? So I unfroze my Experian, and it do take a minute to get approved. It's not like the personal side. The personal side, you receive, in most cases, you will receive a determination. So in most cases, you will receive a determination right then on your personal, but business, you actually have to go into a different website, and well, it's business solutions. So it's totally separate from the personal, and you're not able to log into your business account on the app. You can either use the app from one or the other, but not both. So in order for you to see your business account, you have to log in on like a desktop, and it is a separate account, separate, like I said, website. So you go into business solutions, you apply. It usually take, so I applied on a Friday, and of course it took the weekend, but then it took an additional like 4 days. If you go into the business solution, it will give you the update. So it will tell you, it's with underwriting. So there's no automatic thing with Navy Fed Biz Card. It's gonna go to underwriting no matter how long you keep the account, no matter how much money you have in the account. It still has to be approved manually by underwriting, okay? That's just to let you know. And there is no, you need to have 500. I have more in their bank than I have on this card as an available credit. But here are some of the reasons why I feel like I did not get the full 25K. It's because I have high inquiries on my Experian. I think at the time I pulled, I did this, I applied for this account, excuse me. I had 10 inquiries, and I did have a negative on my credit. It fell off 2 days after I applied. So I wish I would have waited. If I would have known that Experian was going to decide over that weekend to remove it. I've been writing, I've been telling them to remove this. It was in error, and it take a minute for credit bureaus, okay, to remove things off of your credit, you guys. So even someone that, and it's an old a negative old collection that it made no sense for me to pay. It actually was on there in error because it has been past like 8 years since the account went into collection. But Experian are sticklers when it comes to removing things off of your credit. So like I said, even someone that actually teach credit repair, and yes, I have taken a course, and yes, I am certified to do credit repair, but that's not a profession of mine. That's not the business that I went into. But I'm not knocking anyone that does it. Great for you. I do help people repair their credit. I have plenty of ebooks and content that you can do it yourself. I think you should do it yourself so you can know the process, and you can also go and help your family members. Because I learned to repair credit, I was able to, assist my children and friends and everything in getting their credit where it need to be and keeping it where it need to be. Like, I preach credit to my children because your name is all you have. Money is liquid, and you will run out of it before you run out of the need for money. So why not use other people's money, which is the bank's money, to fund things that you need in your life that you could pay over time, okay? So there's my little quick rant. The links will be below the video where you can go over to Etsy and look at all of the ebooks that I have concerning credit repair, building business credit, removing inquiries, and how to remove bankruptcies off of your credit. Just a little sidebar. You can't necessarily remove it. You file bankruptcy. That's forever. You can't change that. But there is a way to remove it from stop it from showing on your credit report. Okay? So that link will be below the video as well. So yes, I am a witness that even though you may have a negative on your credit, you still can get approved for credit cards. Again, it's about a relationship, right? Was it because I had quite a bit of money or have quite a bit of money in their account? I don't think that's what it is. I think that I let the account sit for a year. I didn't let it sit because I wanted to get approved. It's just at the time I opened the business account, the checking and savings, I really did not need a business credit card. So I wanted to wait, build that relationship. And by now, if you're looking into Navy Fed, most of the content creators have told you that the best thing to do is just build a relationship with Navy Fed and you will be just fine. Like I said, I had a collection, an old collection on my account when I was approved for the 15K. I will request an increase in the next 6 months. I will give you guys an update. So hopefully I will max out the full $25,000 in the next year. Now, why did I wait and why now? Because I opened a new business and I want to make sure I have enough available, cash flow without using my business money, my business funds. So all the profit and revenues that my businesses have accumulated, I don't want to have to go into those accounts to actually have working capital. All businesses carry debt, you guys. Even the Fortune 500 companies go out and get loans. You never use your liquid monies for business. I don't want to use my personal money and I don't want to use the profits that I currently have flowing into my business. Do I care about interest rates? No, I don't. Because I know that my business is going to be a multi-million-dollar business in the next X amount of years, okay? Not to, talk about my goals. We're talking about a business credit card. So that would be one of the reasons why you would want to get a business credit card. And most banks want to hear you say that. It's easier actually to get a business credit card, you guys, than it is to get a personal credit card, because you actually went and opened a business and they know that you need money to work your business. They know you need working capital. They know you have to have payroll. They know you have to have services to run your business. So you can use your card. For me, this would be one of those cards that pay the cable bill or the internet bill in my office, to pay the software. I have to have, software to run my business, and just little monthly things that right now I don't want to have to focus on, and that I don't mind just paying the minimum balance. And just to let you guys know, the interest rate on this card was 13.9%, which is really good because right now all interest rates are high at most banks. And what it says, this actually was issued 6/21. So just to let you know, I got it June 21st. And yeah, did I show it to you guys? Did I show it to you? I'm just gonna take it off and I'm going to activate it now, since I showed you guys that I got me a Navy Fed Biz Card. I've been wanting one. I have. I just didn't have a need to rush. So if you're patient and you already have some business credit somewhere else, just build that relationship, come back, apply, and then you can get that high limit. For those that are watching my video that was instantly approved for the $25,000, give us your information. Give us your tell us what your credit score was, if you don't mind. If you had any negatives, and how many inquiries did you have when you applied. Okay? Per usual, this video was longer than I intended for it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of great content. I have another business credit card that I was approved for, and I'm super excited about this one because it's 0% interest, and I wasn't even expecting to get the card. It just came out of nowhere, so I'm excited about it, and I'm going to do a video next. It should be in the mail sometime this week, maybe next week. So once I get the card, I will do the video, and yeah, I'm going to have some screenshots. Maybe. I don't know if no, I didn't. The only screenshot I'm going to have is the email. And that's another thing, you guys. It's not an instant approval, and they email you the amount that you are approved and tell you, like, congratulations, you were approved for X amount of dollars. So, and I didn't get the email because I was super busy. So I called in just to inquire about my application, and that's when the gentleman told me to check my email, that I received an email a few days after I applied. So yeah, if you have any questions, you guys just leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Hopefully I answered the questions in between all that extra. I've been trying to make these videos short. I do. Until next time, you guys, I want you to stay fearless. And again, subscribe, comment, and like this video. Bye.